welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Yanette LeBrun, interior designer, interior design business coach, and today we are gonna work on my basement lower level renovation. We've done some work already, changed out the flooring, added some wallpaper. Perhaps you might have seen my shorts, installing some peel and stick wallpaper behind on the wall of the fireplace and adding the mantle. And so we just got in a console table for behind the sofa and some chairs. And so yeah, come with me and let's get to work. There's Miss Daisy. So, okay, we're down here. I'm just gonna give you a little tour of where we're at. Okay, so let me step back a little bit. So we have here, you see here, we already have that fireplace painted and mantle up, wallpaper there. I'm thinking about doing one of those hacks for a frame for the TV, since this isn't the frame TV, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so we have the existing sofa here. It's a sleeper sofa, which for now we're not replacing, so we're just gonna make it work. But right here behind the sofa you have the table I mentioned. Just put it up yesterday and put up one of the chairs that will go underneath. We wanted it to be counter height so that way you can eat while you're watching TV but not have to sit on the couch. So yeah, there'll be two chairs there. I really like the finish. And so right here you see, like, I have my floor plan. It's a very messy floor plan. I have a whole bunch of notes on here, but and then I have a finish board that just shows some of the furniture thrown on there just to make sure everything's working together nicely, and to decide on some pieces that I'm going to order, because I want a table here, and so I still need to order the table and the chairs. So yeah. And so this is the wall right here that I want to continue the wallpaper on, because I think it kind of can use something. You have like the soffit that comes down, so it'll just transition like into that space right there. So I'm just gonna add it to that wall. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of boxes all over the place. A mess. Empty boxes that we need to get the furniture out of. Yeah, and so alrighty, so let's get to work. So we're making good progress. I feel like the very first piece is always the hardest, getting it to match the angles. But when a wall isn't like a perfect 90-degree angle, it makes it a little hard. So I was having to unpeel it and stick it a couple times. Probably took me like 5 or 6 tries until I got it to a place where it was straight enough. And I have a little slither at the corner where I'll just do a separate piece because I don't have a perfect 90-degree angle. So, but once you get the first piece up, then it's pretty quick and easy to apply the next pieces. And I try to use the piece that's uncut at the top so that way it's a crisp line up at the top, and then I smooth it down, and I use a metal straight edge. I use a metal straight edge to cut with a X-Acto knife blade, so at the base. So yeah, we are almost done. Hey guys, so it's day 2. I worked yesterday and got the wall completed, but I decided that I want to do the wall, the small wall right next to it, so that it has a more like a nook type of feel, because you have the lower ceiling that comes down, and so I'm just gonna wrap it around the corner. I have enough wallpaper, I believe, to be able to do that and complete it. So I'm going to get started on that side, and then we will see what it looks like when it's done. Hey guys, so we are back, and I completed the wallpaper installation. So this is what it's looking like. I wrapped it around to the other wall, so now I have it on 3 walls here. So this is what we have here. So I can't wait to show you what the completed room looks like once it's all done. We have some furniture that needs to be assembled. And here, this is where a table is going to be. I kind of used the peel and stick, the paint tape, I mean, to block out where it's going to be, to see what the scale is going to look like. So yeah, like I mentioned, there's a drop above here, so that kind of gives it like a nook type of feel where you have the wallpaper. So it gives it some a bit of a coziness to it. What's going on, Daisy? You want attention? What's going on? What? You gonna say hi? So that's the end of today's video. If you like this wallpaper that I installed, you will find it at my LTK shop called YL Home and Fashion, also linked on my homepage. And please remember to leave your comments, let me know what you think, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.